The function f is defined by f of x is equal to x squared plus 3. In this tutorial, we'll solve question number 5, paper 12 May, June 2021. The function given according to the domain. If I ask it to get the range of this function, what is the turn point, what is the minimum value of this function? It's 0 and 3 because it's written already directly in completing square form. So the answer is 0 and 3. So the graph will be like this. So when I ask about domain, it's more than 3. This is in general where is x belong to R, but it's given x greater than or equal to 0. X greater than or equal to 0, only this part, but still the range f of x. So what is the domain of this function? It's written x greater than 0. What is the range? The range is y greater than or equal to 3. The function start. This is the range. When I ask you to find f of x, the first point, you can form f of x in this function. The range of this function, is apart from its domain? Yes. The range of the function is apart from domain means when x is more than 3, because to identify the domain. Yes, so you can form it. How to find the f of x? We can repeat the function f of x. Let's say f of x is 2x squared plus 3. Then substitute in the function to get f of x. F of x is 2. Then remove x and write 2x squared plus 3, the whole squared, plus 3. By expanding the bracket, first square, which is 4x squared, first by second by 2, will be 2 by 3, 6 by 2, 12, x to the power of 2. Then 3 squared, which is 9, plus 3. Simplify more, which is 8x squared, plus 2 times 12, which is 24x squared, plus 2 times 9, which is 18, plus 3. So the final answer, I'm sorry, I forgot to square this part, will be to power 4. Power 4. So the final answer is 8x to the power of 4 plus 24x squared plus 18 and 3, which is 21. This is the final answer simplified, but it's not written in a specific form, but it's written find and simplify an expression. So you have to expand and simplify to get this answer. Part B, solve the equation f of x equals 34x squared plus 19. F of x found in the previous part, 8x to the power of 4 plus 24x to the power of 2 plus 21 is equal to 34x squared plus 19. We name this type of equations as a complex quadratic. So 8x to the power of 4 plus 24 minus 34, which is negative 9. You get a quadratic equation. So this will be, sorry, negative 10. When you move this side to the other side, 24 and minus 34 is negative 10x squared. Then 21 minus 19, which is positive 2, is equal to 0. Now, this quadratic equation, you can simplify it more by dividing by 2 or by taking the 2 outside. When you divide it by 2, it's 4x to the power of 4. Divided by 2 will be 5x squared. Divided by 2 will be 1. Is equal to 0. You can directly use factorization method, but instead of writing x and x, I write x squared and x squared. You can use your calculator to help how to factorize this expression. If you use mod 5.3, you will get your answer 1 and 4th. So you have to factorize like this, x minus 1 and x minus 1 over 4th. Don't try to keep it for So multiply 4 by x squared. After using factorization or quadratic formula to solve it to get x squared. So by solving this equation, x squared is equal, minus 1 is equal to 0, or 4x squared minus 1 is equal to 0. Now, x squared is equal to 1. It's a simple quadratic equation by taking a square root. So the answer is positive or negative 1. By the same way, 4x squared is equal to 1 divided by 4. So 1 over 4 by taking square root. So x is equal to positive or negative 1 over 2. But what is the domain of the function? The domain of function, it's written up x greater than or equal to 0. So your values have to be positive. So the final answer have to be x is equal to 1 and x is equal to half. Don't forget to check the domain of the function. That's it. Thank you so much.